Hello, this is Scott Hollinger. Welcome to the Corning home on the east shore of Flathead Lake. I've just come in the front entrance into the vestibule area here where we have behind you, if you mouse around with your computer, you can see the living room, the dining room, and onto the kitchen. Right here is an office space. Behind me, we go up to a guest loft bedroom area and the entry from the garage. Wonderful fireplace here with native stone, nice ceilings here with some valance windows overlooking the lake, wonderful view of the lake and the trees that are out here. Afternoon sun comes in and is a very nice feeling in the afternoons. We've got maple floors. The dining room area has a view out over the garden and the backup that winds back up to the orchard behind it. Further down the hallway we have a bedroom, a bath, and a laundry room there. And then we'll take you on into the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen with the kitchen dining area here. The formal dining adjoining the living room is behind. Granite countertops, beautiful clear fir cabinetry throughout, all the doors, etc. Pantry's off to my right over here. Also the entry off the main deck here with a covered dining area here with surround sound. Beyond that is a bathroom and a stairway down to the family room below. Wonderful views out over the lake. You can see the dock from here and a nice big outside gathering area here on the deck overlooking the lake. Welcome to the master bedroom level. The landing here is beautiful, lit with sun. If you look up with your computer, you can see the skylight atrium that they have on this level. This is the entry into the master bedroom with a balcony that looks out over Flathead Lake, and with the doors open you can hear the waves washing in. There's a large master bath with shower, bathtub, double vanity, all very nice and comfortable with a large walk-in closet. Behind, if you scroll around with your computer, you can see a guest bath and a guest bedroom also on this level. Welcome to the lower level family room area where we have a cozy setting overlooking the lake with doors that lead outside to walk down to the lawn and on down to the lake and the dock area. We have down the hallway here a specific steam room area as well as a bathroom and a guest bedroom. And over here on this side we have another guest bedroom. So wonderful place for guests to gather and have some space to enjoy and visit. Now we'll go on down to the lake. Down here we have a steel and concrete dock that will last many years with virtually no maintenance. You can see behind the stairway going up and the outdoor deck on the patio off of the kitchen. Nice room privacy here as far as the distance between neighboring docks, so you don't have a lot of crowding or any kind of feeling like that there. Wonderful view out over the lake. We've got Wild Horse Island out over here. The Narrows you can see right into Polson. And then on up this way, clear up to Big Mountain and the Whitefish Range leading into Glacier National Park. Thanks for viewing this 360-degree open house.